Homeward bound. We said we were gonna leave at 7 and it's like 9 o'clock, so there's that. Appreciate it, King.
That way.
We're in Lafayette, maybe?
Yeah, Lafayette.
Lafayette. We stopped at Popeyes in Lafayette to get some food before we have to continue driving to like San Antonio for 7 hours or whatever. So they had to pick up boudin balls for their wives and girlfriends, so that's why we made that stop earlier over yonder. My goodness gracious.
I didn't tell you to put that.
Oh,
How do you feel?
That was terrible.
Yeah,
Nick, you're the MVP for
Yeah,
driving.
you're
Holy
the goat.
fuck.
You're the goat, Nick. I napped like 3
He's
times.
the GOAT.
I napped for like literally 2 minutes, and then I woke right back up.
Dude, I napped.
You fell asleep in the car. You were like,
Yeah, the gas, yeah.
No one said anything. I was like, what's going on? Well, he wakes up, he's like, fell asleep in the car, and then he like falls back asleep. And then he wakes up again, he's like, oh my god, I fell asleep in the car.
Dude,
Just this loop.
I fell asleep for like
Do you like not like sleeping in cars or something?
3/4 of the drive.
I like to
I need to like touch my toes or something.
I like to be just like fully awake. I got fish on my hands now, so I'll do that.
With traffic, we'll see.
Yeah, this is like the worst time. What happened to Loon at the crack of dawn?
See you, man.
Yeah, we woke up at like.
And I called Brody at 7. He
see,
said,
man.
yeah, everyone's asleep. I'm like, wow.
Oh, anytime. Good seeing you.
See you, homie.
Yeah.
Oh, now I give everybody hugs. I gotta give you a hug now.
Ugh. The worst part about this is now I have to drive another hour and a half home because we are in San Antonio. Ugh, this is the longest day ever. Granted, I slept a lot of the time in that seat in Nick's car, but yeah, so the trek home, here we go. I finally made it home. That was like 11 hours in the car total. It's terrible, but I'm home. Overall the trip was good. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. New Orleans is cool, so probably gonna edit this video eventually, but right now I'm hungry, so I'm looking for food, and that's gonna be it for today. Peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us. If you want